And I'm gonna show you from the POV how it really looks in the car with my headlights off. So we're gonna pull this up, vanity light, take a look at it. So yeah, the ice blue is not too bad. This is not the dark regular blue where you can't see anything. This is actually ice blue. Yeah, it's pretty bright. Now we're gonna turn on the overhead dome light. See? Now let's take a look at the back. See, it's not too bad at all. It's actually bright. Now we're gonna turn off the vanity light. And then we're gonna turn everything off, and then we're gonna turn one on. You see, this is how it looks. Then we're gonna turn on both. See, that's how it looks. Now, when you're in the car, you can still see it's pretty bright. So if you want to upgrade to the ice blue, not the regular dark blue, message me and I'll leave a link in the comment section. But so far I like it. It complements the car pretty well. Let's turn this off. Let's turn on let's open up the vanity light just itself. See, it's pretty bright. Most LEDs that are not that bright, when you replace it and then you put it in, it only illuminate from this half to the right. But this one, it illuminate all directions. So you want the LED to illuminate all directions. And see, it's pretty good. And like I say, you can still see in the inside of the car.